Hey, it's your buddy Ken back here at Mayfield, Kentucky Airport. Many of you made suggestions as to which drone I should use trying to follow the plane. Yeah, and that drone is the DJI FPV drone. So it goes what, 90?
Yeah, it goes fast.
90. I think Jason said that the takeoff speed of his plane, this is his faster plane. He's got a slow one we can try with later. The takeoff speed was 70, 75. But then once he's in the air, shoom, gone. So we'll see what happens.
Hey.
This is Chris, he's flying analog. I'm gonna fly digital, we're gonna be standing apart. We're about to follow that plane with the DJI FPV. He's gonna follow me so that you can get an idea of what, okay, let's do this. Oh, I thought that was...
That's not supposed to make that sound.
I thought it was broken. I was like, what kind of noise are you making? It was the radio. Oh, man. All right, tell him to start his, tell him he can start.
Jason, you can go ahead and take off whenever you're ready.
Okay, we're going to back taxi the remainder of the runway, because the runway behind you doesn't matter. And you will be taking off.
All right, I'm in manual mode.
Mayfield traffic, Bonanza 25617 is departing runway 19er, Mayfield.
It's okay. If you can get it going again, that'd be cool. Not urgent. All right, so I'm gonna come over here. I gotta adjust my camera angle to get the maximum. Oh, geez, I can't do that. All right, I'm gonna have to adjust the angle as I'm going. Woo. The reason why I look shaky is because I'm shaking. All right, here we go. Here we go. Camera angle going up. Oh, I crashed.
Oh no.
I totally crashed. I crashed. It's done. You think it's broken? Neither quad. Here, give me this. We both crashed.
Better you than me.
Yeah, agreed. I was turning up the angle on the camera. No, I hit the ground. It was my fault.
Traffic, Bonanza 25617 is turning left base, or excuse me, left downwind for runway 19er, Mayfield.
I think my poor little drone is in the runway.
All right, I'll land long, I guess, then. Either that, if you hurry, I'll extend my downwind so you can go get it.
Now Chris can fly. Roger.
It's actually on the stripes at the beginning of the runway, so.
And I have it now, so you're good.
Okay.
And it's not broken. All right.
Mayfield traffic, Bonanza 25617 is turning left base for runway 19er, Mayfield.
So it looks okay. There's a little bit of scuffing here because I turned up the camera angle when I was too close to the ground. Didn't compensate for it, and so it's got a little bit of scuffing here. And here comes Jason. Nice landing. I'll give that a 7. But what do I know?
Oh, it's better landing than yours, I guess.
How are your passengers?
They're having a good time. I couldn't differentiate at first between the screaming of sadness and the screaming of joy, but I think it was joy.
Okay. Well, we're down here for another run if you can.
Coming back.
Oh, and it has a little bit of head trauma. That's all right. That's supposed to be on FPV quads.
Do we need to move?
I could probably go around you, but if anybody else comes through, yes.
Roger Dodger. I'm taking off.
All right.
Okay. All right, I'm in manual mode. I'm not going to mess with the angle too terribly much. I am going to turn it up a little bit. Just a little. Okay. You can tell me, are you ready, Chris?
Are you ready, Chris?
All right, tell him to go, Adam.
We're good to go when you are.
All right, Bonanza 25617, our Mayfield traffic, Bonanza 25617 departing runway 19er Mayfield.
So he's gonna come over here. Oh man, I won't go anywhere near it. All right. Camera angle up. Oh shit, I hit pause. Ah, damn it, I went into normal. This controller, this controller, this controller. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Damn it, I hate this thing. This thing. User error on that one again there, Jason.
All right, how many of these do you have in you, buddy?
We'll do one more. It'll be all right.
All right.
Mayfield traffic, Bonanza 25617, turning left, downwind for runway 19er Mayfield.
I know what you're saying. You're saying, I could do it. Well, maybe you could, but here's my hands, trying to follow all the rules and not hit the plane and flying this piece of quad.
Mayfield traffic, Bonanza 25617 is turning left base for 19er Mayfield.
Oh, you ordered one and you don't have it yet and you're real excited about getting one? Well, keep that receipt. That's all I'm saying. Keep the receipt. Oh, you don't believe me now because you spent all that money and you've been so excited? Trust your pal Ken. Keep the receipt.
Mayfield traffic, Bonanza 25617 is turning base to final for runway 19er Mayfield.
All right, that's our cue. Let's try this again with a real quad. I'm trying this with a real FPV quad.
That means nothing to me, so just do what you do.
Here we go. All right, tell him he can. He's good.
All right, Jason, you're good to go.
All right, Mayfield traffic, Bonanza 25617, departing runway 19er Mayfield.
I see up there, Chris. Where the taxiway meets the runway, I'm hanging out. You see me? I'm hovering. Okay. You got me in your sight?
Yep.
All right. Oh man. So, I hope this video turns out okay. So far we haven't really gotten any real chase footage, but I'm sure it's been a fun day out here at the airport.
He's going up the speed now.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, I kept up with him. There we go. I'm losing signal a little bit because I'm going too far, so I'm coming back. All right. Tell him that's it, and we'll be coming back and thank him.
Jason, that was a good one. Thank you so much. We'll be coming back towards the hangar.
Okay, sounds good.
Let's switch batteries real quick and get that landing. Is that him over there? Okay, so we got that much time.
Got that much time.
Oh my God, this is so nerve-wracking. I'm going, Chris, you ready?
Go.
And Mayfield traffic, Bonanza 25617 is turning base to final for runway 19er Mayfield traffic, full stop.
Okay. There he is. All right, we sort of got the landing. All right, we didn't bring down any planes. We didn't ruin any quads. I didn't have a freaking heart attack. I think it's all good for today. Did I knock over my camera? All right, we're good.
Nope, you're good.
Well, there you go. You asked me to do it with this and I did it. Can it be done better? Sure. Is it fast enough to keep up with the taken off plane? Yeah, but I have more confidence with this. Is this a piece of shit? for everything that I've been wanting to do with it so far, yes. With what you want to do with it, maybe just simple cinematic stuff. But Chris, your thoughts?
None that can be said on this channel.
Okay. Adam, your thoughts?
Yeah, definitely the build your own is my preferred method of flight.
And you've already broken one of these.
I did break one of those.
And how much did it cost to get repaired?
It was $125 to repair one arm.
And you still don't have it back?
And I still don't have it back. It's somewhere in DJI headquarters.
I broke an arm on this, and Chris fixed it for me in like, what, 10 minutes? 5?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
About 5 minutes. This is a great tool, but just don't try to make it be this. This is neither a Mavic nor a race drone. So what it is, it's yours. There you go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time,
And bye.
So what are you doing with those numbers, Jason?
Well, I grade all the landings.
Oh, you
Here at
do?
the airport, that's right. So
Okay.
I've got them. They go all the way from 1 to 10. And
Okay.
So got an airplane coming in for a landing here. He's flying my airplane.
All right. And so what are you giving him?
He's going to get a 4 this time. Yeah. Looked like it was a little bit firm.
So is that out of 5?
That's out of 10.
Oh,
no,
dear.
this goes all the way up to 10. So.
Hey man, you got a 4. How do you feel about that? A 4 for...
Deciding to be popular.
Uh-oh. That guy on the lawnmower is coming over. I think he's mad. Hey, man. Hey. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We should probably mention remotepilot101.com.
remotepilot101.com. Use promo code Heron18, which, by the way, Ken,
Yeah.
I can't brag on you enough. When we search promo codes, you know me, I'm all about our marketing and everything else. Heron18 is the most used promo code. Your people listen to you, Ken.
Yay, thank
Seriously.
you, people. I appreciate that. And
That's cool.
you've been very busy updating the lessons, too, because
There's not a, every video has gotten a facelift. There's 76 videos in there. Every single one has gotten a facelift. The course has gone from 9 hours to almost 12 hours now. There's just so much new content. We're always trying to innovate, push new content. Now with all the recurrent tests changing so much, we're like, wow, we just launched our new course. We need to fix it now. So we're back to that. I was just reviewing some of the stuff our writers sent over earlier for some of the content, and there's some more great stuff coming out here soon as well.
And you take actual questions that test takers give you and kind of incorporate those in the quizzes too, right? So they're actual FAA questions.
We have a ton of data on that, no doubt. So yeah, and I always share, you know this, Ken, I call them the boot camps at the end, where I share, this is a question you're going to see on your knowledge test. Let's not memorize it. Let's understand the why behind it. But just to prepare them for the knowledge test. You know this though, Ken. I want you to be safe in the real world. My mission isn't just to pass a test. I want you safe when you're out there flying FPV, whatever it is, so you can be a light and be a mentor to everybody else that's out there wondering about what this new drone space is. Even though it's not that new, but to many it is so new. We have to be ambassadors to that.
You're a shining star, Jason. A shining
you too.
star. Awesome.